Yes, karibu sana mwiroreri wa Giikaro na Wambui gunyitio gini ururingi thiini wa gicunji kiingi ya Giikaro na Wambui na umuthi turi handu hoikaine ta Homeland ni Thika Road na ndathie ndacemania na nyarari tuonaga muno kuria ugo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na gwenda akorwo agitwariria oro hanini tu atwire etagwo atia na tumui muno naki kuona atia
kwega muno ndahingicika gikuyu-ini ri munjohere tafadhali
tuku understand
please.
Okay, wa mbere twambe twire ritwa riaku.
Njitagwo Karima wa Kimemia.
Wina maritwa mothe mere unique. Karima wa Kimemia kihumo giaku niku?
Ndereirwo nyumite na tikore njereirwo kundu gwitagwo Lwa Kabete ngaciarirwo kuu ngakurira kuu no tugaga kuma gwitu ni Murang'a. Kigumo ni Murang'a
na Nairobi no yuire andu a Murang'a ni igwa uguo
ni njiguaga wathi na handu igwa moyo ko igwa gwitu ni Murang'a witu.
Okay, Karima ri ngui na maundu maingi muno makiria tondu wa mbere ndiri fan waku wa mbere no ngwenda twambirire na ha food ni wendete muno content ya food niki
tondu ariri everybody ona wetha thaa ici no njire nicemanitie na food na food yothe ri ni ta makoragwo na ga character kamwe and nyendete content ya food tondu it relates to you, to anyone. Angĩkorwo mũndũ na mbia kana ndarĩ, it relates with everyone. Nikio
wanatuĩka foodie kwanyu nĩ kũrĩ foodie hihi rĩ
ndire ndatuĩka foodie no nĩ ndĩrakorwo foodie very soon nĩ ndĩrathi guthomera foodie just for the passion and for the love. Na the reason as to ndambĩrĩirie nĩ ũndũ wa foodie ũmwe ndathiĩte ngĩigua akĩaria twathiĩte kumwira tutumire nguo akiaria ngĩigua I think I can run with this thing.
Alright, na niĩ nĩ nyendete personal character ya foodie nĩ ngenagia muno makiria. Tuingire hari thiini wa MC na we uri MC uthiaga na nyimbo ici ni uria ciitagwo urban ici cia nuracimenya ni njui yo mugithi no guingi kwira okoguo ni nyonaga muno makiria uke MC mohiki-ini ni wendete nyimbo icio ringi ni wiragwo wi mukurino ibati gukorwo kina nyimbo icio ni cemanagia na maundu ta mau
kabisa. Na andu ni mabati kumenya atiriri ti ati niwe wendete nyimbo icio muno with the condition of the event. Tuge ni uhiki wa mundu na no menya hena andu makuheaga list makwira turenda nyimbo ici na ici na ici na ici hata kama ni an event tuge an end of year party a corporate event ni ukoraga client hena specific songs arenda na nature of the event pia inakwambianga tuge tariu ni event ya Safaricom surely what are you going to do kuria murathi ground andu aria muracemania nao crowd the event, the nature of the event dictates the state of music. No angĩkorwo nĩ event ya mugithi ndingĩthi kuhura urban so the state of the event dictates the state of the music.
Alright. Kaundu kangi ni nguona muno mugithaka na mundu gwitwo Celestina relationship yaku ri na ringi mwacemanirie ku?
Celestine kumumenya ndamumenyire through my brother ni mutumia wake and tukiambiriria kwaragia oguo as time went by tukiona no twike kindu hamwe na because of the relationship and the period of time that we've been together ikakuwa very easy.
Okay, you also a radio presenter na kwira ngofio wekirite nyingi ni guthomera umemereke kana ni passion bado?
Guthomera okay njikite mass communication as a minor no tiate I have been very very specific on radio. Radio da memenyera hau wanyonire ufundithio ni mzazi. Actually mzazi is my mentor in terms of radio. Yeye ndiye amenichukulia akanifunza akanitrain kwa radio ananiambia this is what you do, this is how you speak. It's been a journey. It's a passion and also a process of learning. Yes.
Okay. Karima wendete nyimbo muthemba uriku?
Funny enough mimi napenda worship and very slow music. Unaona hizi nyimbo za kitambo kama hizi Daudi kasema nilikuwa kijana sasa the old okay napenda that old kind of music na ona eta watia Sami Dwarainire country. Yes, country music.
Ndiriko kwenda gutuhutiria na ungiatuhutiria Toxic Love ntungiakena
ndiroe na sijui kuimba yo toxic love ndiroe wega
wĩra ũrĩkũ
reke nyine rĩu rwa Daudi nĩro ndĩrona ta itekura.
Haya tuthiĩ naruo.
Daudi kasema nilikuwa kijana sasa ni mzee. Daudi kasema nilikuwa kijana sasa ni mzee.
Who is the role model then wa comedy?
Oh my goodness. I think ule mtu mwenye nilikuwa nafuatilia sana and I really loved how he is diverse. Terence creative. Okay. Terence, I love Terence. So he's very creative, very versatile, very chap. I just nenyede theory agi change from this character to this character to this character, and he's very hardworking, extremely hardworking. I have been with him and I know he's very hardworking.
Okay, njerera mafans agikaro na Wambui mundu ngenda utuike MC wake thini wa igongona riothe agugukora.
Ugenyenda ngoro MC event ini yaku, please no nyandikira haria DM ini ya Instagram Lilo Karema, Facebook Karema, TikTok Lilo Karema, kana uthie email ini yakwa Karema Creatives ciothe cina K hatire C Karema Creatives @gmail.com.
Alright.
Yes.
Naba
muno tutiheanaga kwa thaa ici tondu wa seriousness and also
we mundu teke nireke rujuririe mundu hau toko nikio rathura kuheana namba ndugakirwo good night, good morning.
Andu mane manjohere no menya mundu aga kuheana namba onekanaga tari mwiti no ti mwiti.
We understand.
But aca ndirira mundu I'm very much
wakigira kwa gikondo agikondo kumahe namba Karema ri
makenya ndakiagira haria mukandao
no gagicokia
na niguo njokagia tamori ari
sawa ni ndakenda muno makiria na ni nyendete wira waku muno. Yes, tuma na mundu gwitwo Karema wa Kimemia na nguririkanie ati wenda gukorwo ukiendia kana ukigura turagura kuhitukira Gikomba Pure App na wenda kambuni njega ya kuiguithia na njira ya mugunda ni kurio gwo kwa Gatepath Realtors. Ni njitagwo Wambui wa wahu na tuma na
Karema wa Kimemia.
Ni ngatho cia mwanya.